Hello everyone and welcome to a quick OneNote tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to rotate images in OneNote. This is actually quite simple. First I open OneNote, and here I already have a project with a screenshot of a game that I'm currently developing in Unreal Engine. Depending on which version of OneNote you are using, you have different options. In older versions it was possible to click on the image and get a context-bound tab called Image. In newer versions like mine, however, this function is no longer available. Here we only have the option to right-click on the image, go to Rotate, and rotate the image by 90 degrees or flip it horizontally or vertically. For this tutorial I will rotate the image 90 degrees to the left, so that it is correctly aligned. Note that there are no other options apart from the 90-degree rotations, for example to make an individual rotations in 1-degree increments. This is just for your information, so that you don't have to search unnecessarily for a corresponding function. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!